Hello all listeners. Today relationship with Russia has been dropping very fast as the attack on Mongolia earlier this morning has taken place and has been interviewed by the United States and Canada and have placed blockades around the country. And the impending war against the United States, Canada, and the UK will most likely happen. Nuclear war is not gonna happen and will never happen.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. Please stand by. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 20 nuclear missiles have been launched by Russia and have been targeted to hit the United States and Canada. These missiles are expected to impact these cities within the United States: New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, Washington, D.C., Maryland, Kansas City, Missouri, and Chicago, Illinois. Seek a fallout shelter immediately. This is a situation that cannot be ignored. Seek a fallout shelter now.